Hey guys, we're back at the garage. I'm going here and see what's cooking. See, he's already in here hitting it hard.
Always, man, always.
So we got the old tire rod. If you haven't seen the last video, check it out. Pulley, Coke,
Always, man.
tools everywhere. So this is what we've got off so far. We're all the way down to the actual full drive shaft, I would say. Go back there and see what the big man is doing.
What's going on?
So he's got our new tie rods put together in length to what we need roughly, just to drive down to the local tire store and
Have put it in line.
have them line it all up and make it right. Here's that other mystery piece, steering, that goes somewhere. This is the old hub. It's locked up, I can't even turn it. Definitely time for new parts. So we're filling up the truck with boxes. 5 minutes later and we finally got it out and both the ball joints popped right out. Where are they at?
Well, there's the old one from the bottom, and then the
The
upper.
bottom one's still in there, obviously.
Yeah.
But the top one popped right out when we
Popped
busted
right
it.
out.
Yeah, look at that.
That motherfucker's solid.
Look at that. That is one.
Yeah.
Got it.
Pretty solid. Don't think it's ever been greased.
Oh yeah. Well, shit. We gotta get the torch. Caught everything on fire.
Nah, come on.
Look at this place. Good Lord.
Not too bad.
Look at that. Whew. It's alright. We are part-time volunteer firemen. Or at least we know firemen.
We know a guy. Which I don't think he'd help us right now.
Heating it up again. Look at that, folks. We got it out.
Oh, it took us about a minute.
Oh, yeah.
3 minutes, probably.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so we are having some difficulties. Our press is bent, so it's wanting to push the ball joint in there crooked. So we're going to try to heat it up and see if it won't just kind of slide in there a little easier. Got it in there.
Well, it took us about 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. I was thinking like an hour and a half.
Okay. I'll go with an hour, 45 minutes.
This fucking thing.
Without it, we just never got it in there.
Yeah. Pain in the ass. Alright, so we got the two ball joints on. And the full drive shaft put through the whatever this bracket thing is. Alright everybody, so we got pretty much everything put back together on the driver's side. Alright, I just dropped my camera, so I'm not sure if it's still in focus, but if it is, we're good. So, multi-purpose tool. We used our ball joint press as a brake caliper press. So thumbs up to James and his creativity ideas. That saves money and time, which we like, and now we know we can use that on the other side as well, which will also save a lot of time. We had a slight malfunction. It says my batteries for my camera are dead, but they're both fully charged. That's weird. I don't know. Calipers are on. Look at that. They're rusty. Don't give me shit for it, but everything else is new.
Almost.
Except for this and this and this.
Bottom of the arm.
But everything else. You want to do that shock real quick, bruh?
Yeah. Do new shocks right quick.
And sway bar links, and then we'll be done on this side.
Yep.
We got the shock out, and look at this.
Man, that's a good shock there.
Doesn't even...
Doesn't expand or nothing. That motherfucker is junk.
Alright, so here we are. Probably, what time is it now? 6:30. 6:30? About 3 hours later, and the driver's side is complete. All I gotta do is throw the tire back on there and we'll be good to roll. Alrighty. Tire's back on. Look at that. Tire's on. It's on the ground. Everything's in there. It's put on. It's new. And we're gonna do the first start in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's gonna be great.
I don't think it's gonna be that bad.